Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Anime World application to your Firestick or Android TV. It's an amazing application that a lot of people use to watch anime online and totally for free. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you the exact anime available in the app. But in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get that app to your device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, we just go to search on your device, and there in the search bar, we need to start entering Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet. We still need to set it up. So in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll need to go to the settings by clicking on that button with the gear icon. And then we need to scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. And from here, we'll have to enable developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Firestick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared for us right here. So let's open it. Make sure to turn on the ADB debugging. Then go to install unknown apps. From here, you'll have to locate Downloader, there it is, and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. Let's do it. Here it is. We open it. And there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Poland right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we're gonna go to the list of apps, open up Downloader, wait until it opens for you, and then here on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure that you have clicked on Home, and then in the search bar, we'll need to enter a code, which is going to be 28907 and 7. So once again, the code is 28907. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the code is not going to work. After that, you have to click on Go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, after the web page has opened, we just scroll down a bit until we find that list of categories. And from here, we gotta click on anime right here. So let's click on it. And here you'll see a list of applications open. From here, just locate Anime World and click on it. So let's click on Anime World. Then an ad might pop up for you. If it does pop up, don't worry and just click on close or on X to close down the ad. So let's click on X. And now a new web page has opened, which we also have to scroll down. So let's scroll it. Keep scrolling until you see those download buttons right here. So we need to click on that button to download the app, but if for some reason the button doesn't work and the download doesn't start, you can always use the backup download link, which is located right below the usual download button. But now, in my case, let's click on download, and in a couple of moments the download is going to start. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on the connection speed on your device. Then you have to click on install and wait until Anime World gets installed to your Firestick or Android TV device, depending on what kind of device you're using, of course. Usually it doesn't take too long, just a couple of moments until the app gets installed to your Firestick, and then after it's installed, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll be able to delete the installation files, as we don't need them anymore on our device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because you don't have too much of free space on your Firestick anyway. Then finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. Let's open it, wait until it loads for you, then scroll down to the bottom, and there you'll find Anime World, which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way Anime World is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time needed. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.